Trader burnout is a mental condition whereby the psychological stresses of trading has a severe and adverse effect on your overall well-being. Once you experience trader burnout, your only option is to take an indefinite break from trading. This hiatus from trading can last for many months or years. And in many cases, traders who experience trader burnout never return to trading. So, if you plan to be a high-stakes trader, you will need to learn how to avoid the problem of trader burnout. The stepping stones to trader burnout. Trader burnout is directly linked to going through a nominal drawdown, which is not the same as an equity drawdown. An equity drawdown involves a drawdown with respect to an equity high of your trading account. A nominal drawdown is a drawdown with respect to the initial cash deposit of your trading account. Let's add some mathematical rigor to these definitions. Let C0 equal the initial cash deposit of my trading account. Let EQ of T equal the equity of my trading account at time T. Let E max equal the equity high of my trading account at time T. Let DQ of T equal my current equity drawdown. And let D0 of T equal my current nominal drawdown. We can compute our drawdown figures as follows. DQ of T, which equals our equity drawdown, which equals the max of 0 and EQ of T minus E max divided by E max. And D0 of T, which equals our nominal drawdown, equals the max of 0 and EQ of T minus C0 divided by C0. Please note, when you refer to a drawdown number, there is no need to refer to it as a negative number. For instance, a nominal drawdown of minus 5% would simply be referred to as a nominal drawdown of 5%. We can use the concept of nominal drawdowns to identify 4 stepping stones that lead to trader burnout. And we can illustrate this with a graph of nominal drawdown as a function of time. In the green zone, we have B1 is less than D0 of T, which is less than 0. This zone represents the typical drawdown that we would expect from an aggressive trading strategy. For most high-stakes traders, B1 approximately equals 0.1. In the yellow zone, we have B2 is less than D0 of T, which is less than B1. When you are in this zone, you will probably start to feel a bit anxious about your trading, but you will still have confidence in your trading abilities. For most high-stakes traders, B2 approximately equals 0.25. In the orange zone, we have B3 is less than D0 of T, which is less than B2. This zone represents a drawdown stage whereby your trading activities start to affect your non-trading activities. We will refer to this zone as the pre-burnout zone. For most high-stakes traders, B3 approximately equals 0.4. In the red zone, we have D0 of T is less than B3. This zone is trader burnout. At this stage, your trading problems have already had an adverse effect on your overall well-being. You might even need to seek medical advice for issues pertaining to stress, anxiety, etc. So, the only way to stay out of the red zone, i.e. trader burnout, is to deal with the problems that you have whilst you are in the orange zone, i.e. pre-burnout. Using administrative systems. So, when you are in the orange zone, you first need to go through all the documents of your administrative system to find out, number one, why you are going through a drawdown, and number two, why your trading activities are starting to affect your personal life. To learn more about administrative systems, please watch my video titled Trading Journals and Administrative Systems. I will leave a link to the video down below. When you review the documents of your administrative system, such as your trading journal, you'll probably be able to generate several plans to deal with your drawdown situation. However, if you are experiencing difficulties in this regard, then you might want to watch the YouTube playlist titled 4-Minute Drills by Disciplined Trader. I will leave a link to the playlist down below. After you have finished your review and developed a plan to address your pre-burnout issues, make sure your plan includes ways to enhance your overall self-management in relation to sleep, exercise, recreation, etc. We deal with these sorts of issues in my Trading Mindset Masterclass titled Master Yourself Before You Master the Markets. I will leave a link to the video down below. Reduce your contact time with the markets. One of the best ways to deal with pre-burnout is to reduce your contact time with the markets. This means reducing your trading frequency and prolonging the duration of your winning trades. You might also want to reduce how often you monitor the price action of your trades. So, if you've got your broker's app on your mobile phone, then uninstall it. Try to fight the temptation to monitor your portfolio on a daily basis, unless you've got a good reason. For example, to close any losing trades at the end of the week or month. If you plan to reduce your contact time with the markets, you will need to reduce your financial leverage. This will involve a combination of the following for any given trade. Number one, reducing your risk exposure And number 2, increasing your stop loss distance. But always remember, reducing your leverage isn't just about protecting your psychological well-being. Controlled reductions in leverage should enhance your trading efficiency. For example, a decrease in stop loss activations because of typical market price gyrations. Change your physical location. Consider going on holiday for a short period of time. This holiday doesn't need to be extravagant. It doesn't even need to involve traveling to another country. The key is to realize that a positive change in your physical environment, even if this change is only temporary, can reduce your levels of stress and anxiety, which in turn will help your mind to view trading problems with a fresh perspective. Final thoughts. The best way to avoid trader burnout is to deal with issues that precede it. However, even if you manage to do this, you will never be able to escape the unfortunate fact that long-term trading success is all about learning how to deal with drawdowns whilst being uncomfortable. If you would like to learn more about this aspect of high stakes trading, then please watch my trading mindset masterclass titled Become Comfortable with Being Uncomfortable. I will leave a link to the video down below. Thank you for your time and happy trading.